Nashville hot chicken crispers. Loaded mac and cheese. Loaded mashed potatoes.
Trying Dave's Hot Chicken's new saucy bites, spicy barbecue, and Mike's Hot Honey, spicy buffalo, their new ranch. It's creamy and they finally got ranch now. Barbecue, ranch, Mike's Hot Honey. This is crispier. I wish there were a little more sauce in here. Spicy buffalo.
I can never stay away from my Nashville hot mozz. Chili's has the most beautiful buns I've ever seen. This is my favorite kind of fry. Like, the squishier, the better. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They also got their buffalo nuggets to try for the first time. Let's see. You guys know me and my dukes. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting to get into these fries. Let's put some ranch. Look at all the onions right there. Time for some Diet Coke. Oof.